We are approaching the 11th of September, the National Day of Catalonia, coming Tuesday. So here in the center of Barcelona we have a true luxury week of Catalan culture. Today is Saturday, here in Avinguda Catedral, in the very center of the city. We have a day of human terrors where the local team Castellers de Barcelona are performing together with Descarregat de Villanova. Here we have the Castellers de Barcelona performing 3x8 in Catedral. And as you see, there are a lot of people watching. A lot of tourists, a lot of cameras in here, very different from what we have in the areas where people are more used to human towers. But this is where we are, in front of the very Cathedral of Barcelona. So that's not very surprising, is it? Here we have the 5th level taking its position of kings. So we have the Dosos, the Checado and the Anchaneta still to come. Here we have the Dosos in place. Two more levels of children to go. Here we have the first one, la Checadora, and here the last one, la Anchaneta. We have a 3x8 on Castellers crown, descarregat by Castellers de Barcelona. It looks nice and stable. I honestly don't think that they will have any big difficulties to dismantle this. We'll rapidly go down the stem, the trunk, and see. In fact, we don't have any level, which is something seriously. Not at all. This will be dismantled without any problem. So we have a vestibule, that's descarregat. 2 completed by Castellers de Barcelona in Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, 2012.